This week, we added cabinets to our office, and here's a little sneak peek. Tonight is also Thanksgiving, so we wanted to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving, and hope you guys are all safe and with family.
And thanks for watching. I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys. That's him. Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
So we got these cabinets from Lowe's this time. We tend to jump around from cabinet place to cabinet place. This wall here will have a wall of cabinets that are all 28-inch high. It'll have 2 desks and lots of storage.
Oh my gosh.
Oops. Why was it on the bottom?
I don't know. What is it, a shelf?
Man, there's spider webs over.
Are you serious right now?
Oh my gosh.
No, don't.
Don't.
Was there some or no?
No, there's nothing. Just hold this for me. Shoot. Where's the shelf for this one?
Oh my gosh, that scared me.
It's just like wedged in place down there. This stupid one opens the same way.
Did we have 2 in the middle? Didn't we have 1 on each side, 2 in the middle?
All the same size?
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah.
Not set.
Oh no, 18. Yeah, so these will work. These would be in the middle just fine.
This opens the same way too.
Well, that doesn't help us then. That means we're going to have 2 off probably if they put them all on the same side.
I think they just goofed and did them all the same.
Well, let's see the other one before
And we can just swap it. It'll just be a couple
How are we going to
holes.
match the paint though if you have to patch stuff?
I'm sure it came with some type of stain or paint or
Okay.
something.
So I think these 3 over here are the big ones. I think it's this bottom one that looks the same. No, it looks like an upper one. That open the same way?
Yeah.
Oh, that's too bad.
This other wall here is mainly for storage and is 34-inch tall cabinets. The middle cabinet there is for a filing drawer system. I'm trying to anchor this into studs, and I got a little goofy scenario happening where I'm way far away from the wall here, so I can't just put a screw in this way. And I can get 1 stud in here. So what I'm gonna have to do is make a little angle bracket basically, so I can anchor into this stud and into here.
I'm just curious, why do you have the spacer there?
Spacer here?
Uh-huh.
That's how they designed it.
Oh, okay.
But it also makes opening this door,
Oh,
or
yeah.
actually opening this way, not hit the wall.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, so the next cabinet we need to mount is this one.
Probably because we've raised our kids in multiple flip houses, our kids love this work.
So I guess it's a lot of work to really take on and ask you questions. Yeah, we want to help you.
I constantly have to remind myself that even though I can do it faster by myself, it's more important to include them.
The two things we need to do is we need to mount these together with screws so that they're one cabinet. And then we also need to evenly space this in the middle of these two cabinets. Alright, so this is a clamp. When you pull this trigger, see how it gets smaller?
I've realized that a 4-year-old and a 6-year-old are far more capable than we typically give them credit for.
Okay, now feel right here. Does that feel the same level?
Yeah.
I think it does too.
I've seen them experience a sense of accomplishment that I get every time I do a project. And letting them participate in these manly things has helped develop their confidence. Perhaps even too confident in Sawyer's case, but in a good way.
So now, oh look, this cabinet is one unit together. You guys just did that.
Do I get paid?
No, you don't get paid. This is working on our house, dude. So we've been trying to teach Sawyer mainly, but everybody, about money and about saving money for a what?
A dirt bike?
A dirt bike. And Sawyer went and helped me work at someone's house where they paid me, and I gave him 10% of that money because we decided that he helped 10% of the time.
And I got $11 back.
$11, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now Sawyer thinks he gets paid on everything we do, but you only get paid on the special chores. Okay, so now it's perfectly even between the two. Who knows what this is called?
Excavator.
A what? Hold on, Sawyer.
Excavator.
An excavator?
Uh-huh.
Or an excavator, is that what you said?
Uh-huh. A stud finder.
Yeah. Oh, Sawyer got it.
Do I get candy?
Stud finder. That was good,
Do I
Lincoln.
get candy for it?
No, you don't get candy for it.
Ooh, look at clean it.
You were holding it great.
Yeah.
You did it.
Working.
You did it. Yeah. You
We're
were working.
working on that. We're
I think-
working on that.
I think you did a great job. Ow! Who can hold this in place really good?
Me clean this.
Not yet. Okay, Sawyer, go ahead and squeeze it.
Can I squeeze this one?
So now look, it's holding itself.
Hey, you two, look at this. I just hold it that side on, and you know, sort of this side. I did that side, you two. Hey, you two, we get this. We put this on, and we not do this something. We pump it on
Don't squeeze it.
that thing.
Don't touch it.
And you two, we pump this on. We put this on.
Good job, Max.
How's that a big pump?
Alright, so I'm figuring this out here as I go, but I'm using my Craig jig. For those of you that don't know, the Craig jig helps you So it's basically like this bracket clamp thing. It comes with a drill bit, and it helps you drill at an angle. So you clamp this down, you set material thickness, and then it helps you drill at an angle. So at first on this side I did 3/4 inch thickness, and for whatever reason it seemed high. This side I did 1.5 inch thickness, and I think I'm gonna like that better. But before I drill that other side, I'm gonna put this piece in just to see which one worked better. You can see what my Craig jig did here. I added a little bit of wood glue to this one, by the way, just because it was too close to the edge. It cracked a little bit. So on this one I moved it back. Did awesome. Now I'm going to do the same thing to here. Okay, I just drilled out both of those sides. I think I'm done.
Done for tonight?
Done mounting, period.
Great. So now you put the doors on and then we just do countertops and then we can add that.
I'm gonna put the doors on tonight, but I can't put the drawers in because I need a vacuum.
Okay.
It's time to go to bed. It's starting to make mistakes.
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next week.